special girl for me to thrill. A girl who wants my kisses and my arms, a girl with all the charms of you. Venus make her fair, a lovely girl with sunlight in her hair, and take the brightest stars up in the skies and place them in her eyes for me.